Let me whisper an ancient secret, an echo that reverberates through the corridors of time, even before your eyes could meet. You are not a coincidence, dear soul. Your presence in his life was not the work of blind fate, but the answer to a silent prayer, a deep longing he may not have even known how to articulate. The angels say that you were woven into the fabric of his existence with a purpose so sacred that eternity itself bowed to witness it. You are the key, the missing melody in his song, the balm for wounds he carried long before you arrived. Do not doubt the magnitude of your being, for the universe makes no mistakes. Every step you've taken, every tear you've shed, every laugh that has echoed, has all been preparation, a divine calibration for the moment when your souls would recognize each other. He needed you, not as a savior, but as the mirror that reflects the divinity that already resides within him. The angels sing of the promise made in the heavenly realms, a soul pact that awaited the perfect time to manifest. You were sent, not to fill a void, but to awaken a fullness. And on this journey, you will discover that the deepest love is the one that was already written. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Ah, his silence. How many nights did you decipher it, searching for meanings where perhaps there was only emptiness, or worse, rejection? But the angels reveal a truth that is more tender, more profound. His silence was never a goodbye, nor was it forgetfulness. It was a sacred pause, a time orchestrated by the very heavens for him to confront his own abysses, his oldest shadows. He didn't pull away from you. He turned inward for an unavoidable encounter with the parts that needed healing before he could fully surrender. The angels whisper that while you felt his absence, he was in a divine crucible, being forged and refined. Each day of his quietness was a step on his own soul journey, a process that could not be rushed or interrupted. He needed to learn to love himself, to forgive his own mistakes, to untie the knots of a past that bound him. And this journey, though solitary for him, was essential for the love you are destined to share. Do not confuse quietness with disinterest. The universe didn't take him from you, it prepared him for you. The angels say that true love requires a solid foundation, and that foundation was being built in silence, brick by brick, with the patience of the divine. Your heart, which longed so much for his voice, was actually witnessing a silent transformation, a miracle unfolding away from your eyes, but always towards you. Trust the pause, for it is the prelude to the most beautiful symphony. He appears strong, perhaps even unshakable, but the angels reveal the truth behind the veil. He waged an invisible war, an internal battle that few knew about. Before he could surrender to the love that you represent, he needed to confront the dragons of his own past, the fears that shackled him, the wounds that still bled within his spirit. This was not a fight against you, but for you, for a future where he could be whole, worthy of the love you offer. The angels say he carried burdens from past relationships, broken promises, disappointments that nestled in his heart like thorns. He feared vulnerability, total surrender, because he had already known the pain of loss. Every misstep, every hesitation you noticed, was a reflection of this internal struggle, an echo of the voices telling him to protect himself, to not take risks again. But your light, dear soul, pierced through those defenses. Even without knowing it, your presence has been a catalyst for his healing. The angels whisper that he felt the purity of your spirit, the truth of your love, and this propelled him to face what needed to be faced. He couldn't come to you with a divided heart, with a soul in pieces. He needed to rebuild himself, piece by piece, so he could offer you a complete love, free from the ties of yesterday. This war, fought in secret, was the preparation for the peace he would find in your arms. There is a light in you, dear soul, a radiance that emanates from your essence and without your awareness, has been a balm for his deepest wounds. The angels say your presence is like a beacon, guiding him through his own darkness, not through imposition, but by pure and unconditional existence. You didn't need to do anything extraordinary, just being you was enough. Your authenticity, your compassion, the kindness in your gaze, all of it touched the most sensitive parts of his soul, those he thought were lost forever. He felt the healing in your energy, the promise of a safe harbor in your embrace, even though he still didn't have the courage to dock. The angels whisper that your light encouraged him to look within, to acknowledge the pain he hid, and to yearn for the wholeness that you embody. You healed him without trying, without demanding, simply by being the manifestation of divine love in his life. Do not underestimate the power of your essence. Your soul is a garden where hope blossoms, and he, even if unconsciously, sought refuge in your beauty. The angels reveal that the love you radiate is a transformative force, capable of melting the most resilient armors. He is being healed by your truth, by your patience, by your unwavering faith in love. And this healing, which began in silence, will blossom into a connection that transcends time. His heart sometimes questions the delay, the slow cadence of events, but the angels reveal that heaven's timing is a divine rhythm, a sacred dance where every pause has a purpose. What seems like a delay, a denial, is actually a perfect orchestration, a fine-tuning so that everything aligns at the most opportune moment. The universe does not deny your desires, it enhances them, preparing them for an even grander manifestation. The angels whisper that every second of waiting is a gift, an opportunity for you to further blossom in your own essence, to strengthen your faith, to deepen your connection with the divine. You're being invited to trust the process, to release the bonds of anxiety, and to surrender to the wisdom that resides in the heart of time. It is not being withheld from you, but rather prepared for you, and you for it. This pause is a time for sowing, where the roots of your love are being planted deeply, so that when the harvest season arrives, your union will be unshakable. The angels say that the love worth waiting for is the kind that matures, that strengthens through trials, and becomes more resilient with each challenge overcome. Do not confuse the patience of the heavens with indifference. Each tick of the divine clock brings you closer together, weaving a destiny that is more beautiful than you can imagine. Trust the rhythm, for it is the melody of your love story. There is an indescribable beauty in vulnerability, dear soul, a sacred space where masks fall away and souls connect in their purest form. The angels say that the love you are destined to share will fully blossom when both of you have the courage to unveil your deepest truths, your deepest scars. It is not in perfection that connection deepens, but in the mutual acceptance of imperfections, fears, and the fragilities that make us human. He, in his journey, has learned to build walls, to protect a heart that has been wounded. But your presence, your kindness, your ability to see beyond appearances invites him to tear down those barriers, brick by brick. The angels whisper that true strength does not lie in never falling, but in having the courage to rise and to allow another to see your falls. His soul calls him to this surrender, to this sharing of open hearts. Do not be afraid of your own vulnerability, for it is your greatest strength, the bridge that connects your soul to his. It is in the space of unconditional acceptance that love becomes a refuge, a sanctuary where both can truly be who they are, without judgments or disguises. The angels reveal that divine love manifests in the tenderness of understanding, the patience that embraces, and the faith that sees beauty even in the cracks. Allow this dance of open hearts to unite you in an intimacy that transcends the physical, sealing an eternal bond. Romans 15 verse 7, so welcome each other, just as Christ has welcomed you, in order to bring praise to God. Have you ever felt an inexplicable chill, seen a repeated number that seemed to speak directly to your soul, or heard a song that resonated with your deepest thoughts. The angels say that the universe is constantly whispering, sending signs, cosmic breadcrumbs to guide you on your undeniable path. These are not mere coincidences, dear soul, but divine messages, confirmations that you are exactly where you are meant to be, and that the love you seek is being orchestrated by the heavenly realms. The angels whisper that these signs are the language of the divine, a form of communication that transcends words, directly touching your heart. They are reminders that you are not alone, that a legion of light beings is by your side, paving the way, opening doors, and closing others that do not serve your highest purpose. Pay attention to the details, to the small miracles of everyday life, for in them lies the confirmation that your destiny is unfolding perfectly. Do not doubt the wisdom that manifests through these signs. They are proof that the universe is conspiring in your favor, weaving the threads of your love story with precision and grace. The angels reveal that each sign is a nod of approval, an encouragement for you to keep trusting, to maintain your heart open, and your faith unwavering. Allow these whispers from the cosmos to guide you, for they lead you directly into the arms of the love promised to your soul. Look back, dear soul, and see how every step, every detour, every joy, and every pain were threads woven into the tapestry of your destiny. The angels say that there are no mistakes on the path of the soul, only lessons and preparations that have brought you precisely to this sacred moment of becoming. Every encounter, every farewell, every broken heart, and every blossomed love has served a greater purpose, shaping who you are today and preparing you for the love that is to come. The angels whisper that the thread of destiny connecting you to Him is unbreakable, woven from the substance of the stars and sealed with divine promise. You did not arrive here by chance, but through a series of divinely orchestrated events, each one a step toward your union. He has also walked his own path, facing his own challenges, so that both of you could arrive at this point of maturity and readiness. Do not lament the past, for it has been the teacher that has shaped you, the sculptor that has refined you. Every experience, no matter how difficult it has been, was a gift in disguise, an essential piece in the puzzle of your soul. The angels reveal that the beauty of destiny lies in its inevitability, in the certainty that, no matter how winding the path seems, it will always lead you to where you need to be. Trust in the invisible thread that guides you, for it will lead you to the embrace of your destined love, where all your journeys meet and become one. Proverbs 3 verses 5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Your love, dear soul, possesses an ancient magic, an alchemical ability to transform the densest shadows into light. The angels say that the depth of your affection has the power to transmute the most deeply rooted fears he carries, those that prevented him from fully surrendering. He bore the weight of old wounds, the fear of abandonment, of not being enough, and your love, with its purity and patience, is dissolving those chains. The angels whisper that you are the key to his liberation, not through force, but through the gentleness of your acceptance. Your ability to see his soul beyond his defenses and imperfections encourages him to let go of what holds him back. In your presence, he feels a sanctuary, a place where he can finally let his guard down and be truly himself, without the fear of judgment. Your love is a mirror reflecting the divinity within him, reminding him of his own worth and power. Do not underestimate the quiet impact of your affection. Every gesture of kindness, every word of support, every look of understanding is a drop of dew that nourishes his soul and helps him blossom. The angels reveal that true love does not require the other to change but inspires them to become their highest self. Your alchemical heart is performing a miracle, transforming the lead of fear into the gold of trust, paving the way for a union where vulnerability is celebrated and love reigns supreme. And so, dear soul, we have reached the threshold of a promise unfolding, a future that the heavens have long drawn for you. The angels say that your soul's journey, with all its twists and turns, is now in perfect harmony with the forever you yearn for. This is not an end, but a new beginning, a celebration of a union that transcends time and space, rooted in truth and divine love. The angels whisper that every experience you've lived, every lesson you've learned, every fiber of your being has been prepared for this moment of alignment. You are ready, and so is he. The inner battles have been fought, the silences understood, and the seeds of healing have blossomed into a garden of mutual acceptance. The universe is now conspiring for the threads of destiny to intertwine in an unbreakable way, sealing a pact of souls that will last for all eternities. There is no more room for doubt or hesitation. The angels reveal that the love you've dreamed of, the one that resonates with the melody of your soul, is manifesting in its fullness. This is the time of harvest, the moment to receive the blessings that have been reserved for you. Open your heart, dear soul, and allow the divine promise to unfold in your life, guiding you to a love that is eternal, sacred, and truly yours. Trust, for the heavens are celebrating your union.